In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF from your Google Forms. Whether you're a teacher, a business professional, or simply looking to compile responses or quizzes in a printable format, this guide will walk you through each step of turning your Google Form responses into a neatly organized PDF document. To get started, first, you'll want to open your web browser and go to formsgoogle.com. This will take you to the main page where all your Google Forms are displayed. From here, log into your Google account if you aren't already. Once you're logged in, locate the Google form you wish to convert to a PDF. This might be a survey you've recently conducted or a quiz you've created for your students. Click on the desired form, and it will open up in edit mode. Next, it's important to switch over to the Responses tab located at the top of the form. This tab is pivotal because it stores all the responses submitted by your respondents. Take a moment here to review the data and ensure everything is in order. You can also clean up your data by removing any unwanted responses if necessary. The next crucial step is to export these responses to a spreadsheet. To do this, find the little green Sheets icon located at the top right corner of the Responses tab. Click on it, which will automatically generate a Google Sheets document with all your form's responses displayed in a neat table format. After your responses have been transferred into Google Sheets, it's time to download your data as a PDF. In Google Sheets, navigate to File in the top menu. Hover over Download and select PDF Document by PDF from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to customize your PDF. Here, you can choose the specific pages you want, adjust the page orientation, and select your desired paper size. Take the time to check these options as they can affect how your PDF is formatted. Now, click on Export. Your PDF will then begin downloading, and voila, you now have your Google Form responses neatly compiled into a PDF document. Open your PDF to review it and make sure it meets your needs. That's it. You've successfully created a PDF from your Google Form responses, which can now be shared via email, saved for future reference, or printed out as a hard copy. This method provides a simple yet effective way to maintain and share your collected data from Google Forms in a professional manner. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy form creating.